I wanted to do a video this time, so this way you have point of reference, so you can hear how these exercises sound at different speeds, and including the goal speed. So 60 beats a minute starting for exercise number 1. And here we go. Double time, 120. Let's do another at 160. $200. And your goal speed of 240. So, even though I say that's your goal speed, I'm not saying I expect you to have that within a week. But you need to be able to play stuff like this at least at 240 with the 8th notes before you start working with 16th notes. So that's why I say it's your goal speed. Same thing for exercise number 2. So here we go at 60 beats a minute. Start. Double time, 120. And let's do another at 160. $200. And goal speed of 240. If you reach your goal speed of 240 for anything, tell me before the class, and then I'll give you the updated version of whatever you hit your goal speed with. So here we go, 240, exercise number 2. Okay. And number 3. So, a lot of times instead of writing out a bunch of triplet stuff in a 4/4 time signature, people will just write it out in a 12/8 time signature, so you don't have to tripletize everything. But you're basically just going to play it, count it as if it was triplets in a 4/4. Mathematically, it's the same. So, here we go. Third exercise at 60 beats a minute. Start. So even if that feels slow, doesn't matter. Start at 60. Always start at 60 every practice session. Going up by 5s every time you get it right. Okay, here we go. 120. Give that fourth note on beats 2 and 4 a nice good hit. Like emphasize that upstroke because I want to make sure you can hit those better. Alright, 160. $200. When you start going really fast for yourself, it's not a big deal to hit the last upstroke very hard because you won't be able to. But in the slower speeds, it will help emphasize what you're trying to do. Should be helpful. And goal speed. 240. Okay. So, regarding the 7th chord stuff, reminder, just memorize the chord formulas and the names of the chords. That's all I want you to do for the 7th chord stuff. So if you do venture off to try and build 7th chords yourself, please be careful. If you start looking at a bunch of stuff online, I don't want you to end up getting confused. So, yeah. Let me know if you got questions. I'll see you next week.